Hello, before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload new videos. Watch the video until the end to see the interior shots, exterior shots, and the full review. Audi has enhanced the 4th generation S8 significantly in order to offer a more powerful alternative to the dignified A8. The S8 may also suit those drivers who don't want to wait for a new version of the 605 HP S8 Plus, which might be replaced by a hybrid plug-in S8 E-Tron. The latest enhancements should help the S8 to stay level with rivals such as the Mercedes AMG S63 and the BMW Alpina B7, as well. The S8 is available in Europe now. Buyers in the US will see the car in dealerships later this year. In the meantime, here is a list of the 2020 Audi S8 Essentials that you need to know. Audi has boosted the S8's horsepower to 563 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque from last year's 520 horsepower. It beats out its sibling the A8 by 103 horsepower and 103 pound-feet of torque. The new S8 also features an 8-speed automatic transmission. It seems that the carmaker might have replaced its traditional Audi TFSI engine with a somewhat detuned twin-turbo 4.0-litre V8 engine lifted from the Porsche Panamera Turbo for increased quickness. We'll be able to confirm this when the S8 reaches US dealerships later this year. The new S8 now relies upon the same 48-volt mild hybrid assist as the A8. The system comes standard for 2020. It uses a belt-driven alternator starter and a lithium-ion battery to save energy for the engine during coasting and braking. Another feature that increases fuel efficiency is the V8 cylinder-on-demand technology, in which the engine can deactivate half of its cylinders when operating at part load efficiency. Audi has added Predictive active suspension to the 2020 S8 as standard equipment. The suspension system uses cameras to detect any irregularities in the road ahead and deploys air springs that can lift or push down each wheel to smooth the car's ride accordingly. When the S8 is in comfort mode, the system can lean the car body into corners as much as 3 degrees. It also lifts the car slightly when a person enters or leaves the car after the door handle is pulled. Supporting this system are 4-wheel steering and Quattro all-wheel drive. The new S8 also has Audi Sport Differential. This feature adds torque vectoring to enhance the Quattro AWD by sending more power to the outside rear wheel, resulting in reduced understeer and improved cornering. Handling is further improved by A8's active anti-roll bars that are now standard on the S8. Carbon fiber ceramic brake rotors 16.5 in front and 14.6 in the back are an option on the S8. Not only do these brakes provide excellent stopping ability, but they also make the car 21.2 pounds lighter as compared to the standard steel rotor setup including calipers. The small changes that Audi has made in the S8's exterior give the car a sportier, more aggressive appearance. The front fascia has a redesigned bumper and corner intakes. At the rear, dual exhausts replace the A8's trapezoidal outlets. 5-spoke wheels smarten up the S8's looks. And European S8s have optional matrix LED, laser headlights and OLED taillights, which may not be available in the US due to safety regulations. Inside the S8 are standard diamond-stitched seats with ventilation, massaging, and inflatable bolster functions. Carbon trim inlay that has a special 3D effect and matte aluminum adds subtle finishes to the interior. According to Joey Caparella at Car and Driver, the S8's MSRP will probably be set well above $100,000 when it reaches American dealerships sometime later this year. Audi hasn't set a firm date for the 2020 S8's US availability, so fans of this sporty executive sedan will need to stay posted for more news of its arrival stateside.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.